Hey, this is Alex with FileDrop, and today I want to show you a demo of our new Chrome add-on called Save2. This is a Chrome add-on that is going to help you to save data from web pages directly in a Google Sheets or images or files in a Google Drive folder. So I've prepared a quick demo here. Here I have my Google Sheet, and here I have a couple of pages from Wikipedia that I want to save information from. So let's say I'm researching Napoleon and Caesar, great leaders, and I want to save some information about these characters. So this is the add-on. I already selected the Google Sheet, yeah, and this is here, yeah. Then I'm gonna select the worksheet where I want to save the current data. I'm gonna select Napoleon, and the column it's A, so here. For images also I can select if I want to save the images in a folder in Google Drive, I can do that also. I already selected Save to Demo from my drive. I'm gonna click Save. And how it works? It's really easy. I go to a page. For example, I want to save this intro here. I right click. I see here Save to Google Sheets. And here is the information. Maybe I want to save a link. So the expedition to Egypt and Syria. I right click and I click here. And here it goes. It saved the link that I want. Maybe I want to save the image. Again, right click. Save to Google Sheets. And here what it does, it creates the image with a formula. My image is here, so you can see it, and it creates it here. This is version 1, but it's already pretty powerful, and from the initial feedback we had, it's very good. And that's it. And of course you can select much more information. It depends on what you want to do with it. You can go to any page and it's gonna save the information from there in these formats. So text, links, and images like this one. We're working on saving files also, and that would be a great addition to this add-on. But this is V1. We're gonna bring a lot more features into it that are for this type of work, research, and so on. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Cheers.